Hi, I'm Dr. Lynn, clinical psychologist and mom. Do any of you struggle with having your kids complete their homework, especially after long school breaks, such as winter break, fall break, summer break? Well, I'd like to share some tips with you on how to get your kids to complete their homework. The first tip is to offer your child a break. They have been working their brains for 7 to 8 hours at school, so offering them a 5 to 15-minute break can really help them just to relax their mind and get back into completing academic work. The next is to offer a snack. So we want to offer a healthy snack. Celery, carrots, what have you, some kind of protein, maybe get that brain going, but we're going to nourish their body and nourish their mind. The third tip is to set up a conducive homework environment. Okay, so we want to minimize distractions. We want to have a clutter-free area. We want to really set them up for success. So quiet, distraction-free zone. The next tip is to chunk the homework into sections that are manageable for your child. So they may have 3 hours of homework ahead of them, they may have an hour, they may have 2 hours. We want to help them to learn how to organize that in a manageable way for themselves. So we will first off start with having your child complete the harder homework first, so the harder subjects first, and they will end with the easier ones when their brain is more exhausted. So that's one way to chunk it into sections. The other is to break it apart by page. So if they have several pages of homework, maybe they do half a page and they take a 5-minute break, come back and do the next half of the page, take a 5-minute break and then come back. The next tip is to offer lots of encouragement and support. They have been working really hard all day at school, 7 to 8 hours. They are going to be tired, most likely. So offering support and encouraging words along the way will really help them. You're going to help foster a positive environment for academic learning and careers and hard work. So supportive words. You got this. You can do this. Keep going. I know it's tough. You got this. I know you can do this. The next tip is to be calm while you are talking with your kid about homework or while you are helping them. So I know that it is usually kids are doing their homework at the end of a day, which for us as parents sometimes means we're helping them at the end of a long work day too. So we just want to step back, take a little bit of break for ourselves, be really calm and consistent when we're reinforcing them, okay? That will go a long way. So we want to be calm while we're providing encouragement. We want to stay calm even when our child, if they are experiencing difficulties. Sometimes one subject will be harder than another for our child, so we want to make sure that we teach them how to handle that in ways that first off we're building their self-esteem, and second off we're fostering a desire for continued learning, okay? So let's sit down, we'll work on this together. Let's figure out a way to do this, okay? The more we introduce those methods for our kids, the more they learn that they can handle difficult tasks. The next tip is to offer reinforcement. Now, reinforcement can look like many different things. It can look like praise, so we're going to provide them with words, good job, you did excellent. It could also look like special time together. So if they complete a certain number of assignments, then they are earning special one-on-one time with you as a parent or special time with friends. It could also look like a special treat. Maybe they earn some kind of special treat. Whatever it is that is rewarding for them, different rewards are going to motivate different kids. So you know your kid best when it comes to what is going to be motivating for them. Okay, we don't want to be super extreme with this, but just remember reinforcement is very important to us as people. Think of yourself as an adult, you work for a paycheck. So this is a very similar thing. You're teaching your child to work and good things will come. Some kids need a little bit more external motivation than others, which is us providing the reinforcement for them, okay? I hope you enjoyed these tips. I hope you find them helpful. If you like what you heard or you want to know more, please like and subscribe below. I want to hear from you on new topics. I plan to put some more videos out there, so if you list some topics down below, I can make sure to cover those topics for you. Thank you so much for listening. Now go out and live your happiest life.